Imagine watching your investments quietly grow year after year while others scramble to make ends meet, even with similar earnings. Why do some people consistently build wealth while others struggle, despite working hard? The secret isn't just earning more. It's about adopting habits and strategies that leverage time, discipline, and compounding. In this video, we reveal the top 5 long-term investment habits that truly build wealth. Habits anyone can start applying today. These strategies help you take control, reduce stress, and ensure your money works for you instead of the other way around. Mastering these habits sets the stage for lasting financial freedom. Let's dive in. 1. Automating contributions. Pay yourself first. Automating contributions is a cornerstone of disciplined investing. Every payday, a portion of your income should move directly to your investment account before you even see it in your checking account. This creates a pay-yourself-first mindset where saving and investing become non-negotiable priorities rather than optional decisions. Automation removes the stress of remembering or deciding how much to invest each month, ensuring that contributions continue uninterrupted despite distractions, changing moods, or impulsive spending. Even modest amounts, such as $50 or $100 monthly, compound over decades to form a substantial financial foundation, illustrating the incredible power of consistent, repeated action. Beyond the numbers, automation rewires your relationship with money. It shifts your focus from short-term spending gratification to long-term wealth accumulation. By treating investments like a mandatory expense, your financial planning becomes proactive rather than reactive, reducing the temptation to allocate extra income toward transient luxuries or unnecessary purchases. This strategy also allows you to take advantage of market fluctuations effortlessly. Because contributions happen consistently, you automatically purchase more shares when prices are lower and fewer shares when prices are higher, effectively blending in dollar cost averaging without conscious effort. Over time, this approach smooths the effects of market volatility, lowers average costs, and accelerates portfolio growth. Automated contributions reinforce good financial habits. Each deposit builds discipline, reduces stress about the future, and frees mental energy to focus on strategic decisions like diversification or tax planning. For example, investing $200 monthly at a 7% annual return can grow to over $80,000 in 20 years through consistent contributions and compounding. Automation not only builds wealth quietly, but also protects against lifestyle creep, ensuring that rising income flows into growth instead of transient consumption. Over the years, this simple practice creates financial stability, builds resilience against unexpected expenses, and puts your future self firmly in control of your financial destiny. 2. Practicing dollar cost averaging (DCA). Dollar cost averaging is a strategy designed to smooth out market volatility and reduce risk. By investing a fixed amount at regular intervals, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, you avoid the stress of timing the market. When prices are high, your fixed amount buys fewer shares. When prices are low, you acquire more. This method minimizes the emotional roller coaster of investing. Many new investors panic sell during market dips or chase high prices during surges, often locking in losses. With DCA, you stay consistent regardless of market movements, benefiting from long-term growth and the power of compounding. Over time, this approach allows small, disciplined contributions to accumulate into substantial wealth. For instance, consistently investing $300 monthly in an ETF over 20 years can exceed $150,000, even if the market experiences multiple corrections along the way. DCA also instills financial discipline, teaching you to stick with a plan even when fear or excitement tempts impulsive decisions. Additionally, DCA reduces cognitive load and eliminates the pressure of trying to time market highs and lows. It helps build confidence, turning investing into a systematic habit rather than a gamble. This approach also fosters patience, as small, regular contributions grow steadily over decades into significant wealth. By focusing on consistent action rather than short-term outcomes, DCA allows investors to harness market fluctuations to their advantage while maintaining peace of mind. It also encourages strategic reflection. Reviewing progress periodically rather than reacting impulsively to market noise improves decision-making. Combining DCA with other strategies, like automated contributions and reinvested dividends, magnifies the effect of compounding, accelerating wealth accumulation. Over time, this disciplined approach develops a resilient investment mindset, where staying the course becomes more rewarding than chasing fleeting gains, and long-term financial security becomes achievable with minimal stress. 3. Reinvesting dividends automatically. Dividends are a powerful engine for long-term wealth accumulation. By reinvesting dividends through a DRIP, dividend reinvestment plan, each payout immediately purchases additional shares, allowing your portfolio to grow faster than through price appreciation alone. Over time, this creates a compounding effect where dividends earn dividends, accelerating growth in a way that simple contributions cannot match. Historically, reinvested dividends have contributed a substantial portion of total market returns, highlighting their importance for long-term investors. For instance, a $10,000 investment in a dividend-focused ETF over 30 years could double or even triple in value solely due to reinvestment. Small, consistent reinvestments, whether $5, $10, or $50 per payout, add up significantly, especially when combined with regular contributions and dollar-cost averaging. Additionally, reinvesting dividends encourages a long-term mindset and reduces the temptation to spend payouts immediately. This discipline allows your portfolio to continue growing quietly through market fluctuations without needing frequent intervention. Many investors also use DRIPs to diversify automatically, as reinvested dividends can buy fractional shares across different sectors. Over decades, this habit builds a resilient, self-sustaining portfolio capable of generating passive income while steadily increasing principal, ultimately creating a snowball effect that compounds into substantial financial security and independence. 4. Diversifying via low-cost index funds. Diversification is a crucial safeguard against risk. Rather than betting on one or two stocks, index funds or ETFs allow you to own hundreds of companies at once. If one company falters, your entire portfolio is not jeopardized, giving peace of mind and stability in turbulent markets. Low-cost index funds also protect your returns from high fees. Active management fees, even at 1 to 2%, silently erode compounding power over decades. Choosing passive, low-cost funds allows more of your contributions to remain invested, accelerating growth. This approach provides simplicity and efficiency. Investors don't need to analyze each individual stock constantly. A broad market fund naturally tracks the overall market's growth. Combining diversification with automation and dividend reinvestment allows your money to grow in multiple directions without adding extra effort. Furthermore, diversification can extend beyond stocks. Including bonds, international markets, and sector-specific funds balances risk and opportunity, creating a portfolio resilient to market cycles. Over decades, this strategy smooths returns, enhances compounding, and ensures sustainable wealth growth, reducing the likelihood of panic-driven mistakes. Diversification also encourages a long-term mindset, reducing anxiety during market downturns because losses in one area are often offset by gains elsewhere. It allows investors to participate in multiple sectors and global markets simultaneously, capturing growth opportunities without concentrating risk. By spreading investments across different asset classes, you protect against sudden shocks and unpredictable economic events. This strategy not only safeguards your capital, but also builds a smoother, more reliable path for wealth accumulation, giving you confidence to stay invested through market cycles. 5. Ignoring short-term market noise. The final habit is cultivating a long-term perspective. Stock markets naturally fluctuate daily, weekly, and monthly. Focusing on short-term movements often leads to panic selling, emotional buying, or second-guessing investment decisions. Long-term investors zoom out to 10 to 20-year horizons, where market growth and compounding dominate returns. Checking portfolios constantly can trigger emotional reactions, while ignoring temporary fluctuations allows your investments to recover naturally from dips. For instance, the market may drop 20% in a single year, but historically, it rebounds over the next few years, rewarding patient investors. Accepting market volatility and committing to a consistent strategy develops discipline. When combined with automation, DCA, reinvested dividends, and diversification, ignoring short-term noise ensures your wealth grows steadily without being disrupted by fear or hype. This mindset separates successful long-term investors from those who fall into reactive behaviors that undermine financial goals. Over time, embracing long-term vision fosters confidence, patience, and the ability to make rational decisions. Your portfolio becomes a tool for building generational wealth, compounding quietly while you focus on life, career, or other opportunities. This mindset allows for strategic rebalancing, adjusting allocations thoughtfully rather than reacting impulsively, further enhancing wealth growth. Ultimately, cultivating patience and discipline turns investing from a stressful activity into a confident, steady approach that aligns with life goals and long-term financial security. The supporting habits that keep long-term investing on track. Before concluding, it is important to understand that long-term investing works best when your financial foundation is strong enough to support it. Even a well-designed portfolio can be disrupted if an unexpected expense forces you to sell investments at the wrong time. Maintaining an emergency fund gives your investments the time they need to grow. When medical bills, repairs, job changes, or other urgent costs arise, available cash can cover them without interrupting your long-term strategy. This separation between emergency savings and investment capital helps protect your portfolio during difficult periods. Your investment plan should also reflect your personal goals and timeline. Money needed within the next few years should generally be treated differently from money intended for retirement several decades away. Short-term goals require greater stability and accessibility, while longer time horizons may allow investors to accept more market fluctuation in exchange for potential growth. It is equally important to understand your genuine ability to tolerate risk. A portfolio should not be so aggressive that temporary losses cause panic, nor so cautious that it cannot reasonably support long-term goals. The right strategy is one you can continue following during both strong markets and difficult downturns. As income grows, investors can strengthen their progress by gradually increasing the amount they contribute rather than allowing every raise to disappear into higher spending. Even a small annual increase can have a significant impact when compounded over many years. This allows the investment plan to improve alongside your career and financial capacity. Clear documentation can also keep long-term decisions consistent. Writing down your goals, expected investment period, contribution target, and reasons for choosing each investment creates a personal framework for decision-making. When markets become uncertain, this plan provides a useful reminder of why you started and prevents temporary emotions from replacing long-term logic. Finally, successful investing should be measured by progress toward personal goals, not by comparison with friends, online personalities, or short-term market winners. Different investors have different incomes, responsibilities, timelines, and levels of risk. A strategy that appears successful for someone else may not be suitable for your situation. Long-term wealth is built when your investments, financial safety net, and personal goals work together. Protecting your ability to remain invested is just as important as selecting where to invest. When the foundation is stable, patience becomes easier, market volatility becomes more manageable, and compounding has the uninterrupted time it needs to create meaningful results. And there you have it. Top 5 long-term investment habits that build wealth. By automating contributions, practicing dollar-cost averaging, reinvesting dividends, diversifying with low-cost index funds, and ignoring short-term market noise, you empower yourself to create consistent, long-lasting financial growth. Each habit reinforces the others, building discipline, patience, and confidence. Start small, stay consistent, and trust the process. Share in the comments which habit you plan to implement first and how you'll take control of your financial future. If this video inspired you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on investing and wealth building. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.